This is for Year 12 methods. It comes out of the orientation pack. It's tech task number 1, question 7. State the coordinates of the stationary points for h of t, where h of t equals t squared times 2 to the power of t in exact form. So to find coordinates of stationary points, I need to take the derivative and set it equal to 0, and then find those x values. Okay, so here it is. I've got x squared. And what I might do is have a quick little look and see. So we seem to have two stationary points. One looks like 0 and 0, and the other one is here where x is negative. Okay, so I take this and I take its derivative. So bring up the keyboard, 2D, calculate derivative with respect to x. And I take that answer and I set it equal to 0. And interactive advanced solve for x. And it's given me the two answers. X equals 0 is correct. And this other value, I agree, negative 2.855, because when I saw it, that there will be analysis gsolve max negative 2. So it's the same value, except it's not an exact form. So what I need to do is to manipulate my expression. Okay, so here's my derivative. I'm going to take the derivative and factorize it. Transform R factor. So I took out a common factor of x. Now if that was equal to 0, of course, that will be when x equals to 0. So one of my coordinates is 0, 0. Or when this equals 0. So here is my second factor. And interactive transform factor. Didn't take out a common factor. However, I've got 2 to the power of x plus 1 and 2 to the power of x times log base 2 of x. I've got a common factor in there of 2 to the power of x that the calculator didn't take out. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to divide it by 2 to the power of x, because I can see that there's a common factor in each of them of 2 to the power of x. Didn't do it, so I take it, transform proper fraction, there it is. Okay, so when I took my derivative and I factorized it, it gave me two factors, this one and this one. This one gives me my 0, 0. This second factor will give me my other stationary point, and I recognize that I had a common factor of 2 to the power of x, so I divided it by 2 to the power of x. And when I divided that by 2 to the power of x, it gave me this. So this is my second factor. If I set that equal to 0, solve for x, there is my second, and if I put it into decimal form, negative 2.885. Okay, so I need my original, and there's my original. Copy, paste, option given, x equals this, execute. Okay, so 0, 0 is 1 point, and x equals negative 2 on log base e of 2, and y equals 4 on top of 2 to the power of 2 divided by log base e of 2 times log base e of 2 all squared.